Building a home server? Choosing the right platform can make or break your setup, so which one actually delivers what you need? Docker isn't a full OS, but it's a must-know container platform. It lets you run lightweight apps in isolated environments. It's perfect if you want speed, flexibility, and minimal overhead, but it's not plug-and-play unless paired with something like Ubuntu or Portainer. Proxmox VE is a virtualization powerhouse. It lets you run virtual machines and containers, all from a sleek web UI. Great for advanced users or home labbers who want full control, but it has a steeper learning curve than the others. Truenas is focused on data storage. It's a top choice if you're building a NAS with powerful ZFS support, snapshots, and backup tools. It now supports apps and VMs too, but its core strength remains in reliable storage. Unraid is the hybrid pick, combining storage, virtualization, and Docker support into one user-friendly system. It's ideal for media servers, gaming VMs, and app hosting, all managed through an intuitive interface. The catch, it's not free. So, Docker for minimalism, Proxmox for flexibility, Truenas for storage, and Unraid for a full-featured friendly home server experience. This is How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one!